North 818 Sierra Echo 12 come 17,000.
Hi, Dick Rochfort here.
818 Sierra Echo 4 Roger, climb and
aboard 223 Mike Alpha.
230 818 Sierra Echo.
An SLS Halo equipped M600, latest and greatest from Piper. It's really a beautiful airplane. I wanted to talk a little bit this morning about the pressure system. It's a little different from the older models with the rotary knob over here on the left side. And we've just completed a physiology drill where we've dumped the cabin. And the main difference between the old system and the new system is all the data is here now instead of on the rotary analog dial. And now you have really only two pressure controls items. There's the inflow, which when it's in, it's open. And there's the ECS select, normal, high, or EMER, or of course off. So we're in, on, and on normal, and the cabin press dump switch is here, and when the cabin's dumped, we get a red annunciator, says dump. And then all the other indications are here: cabin altitude, rate, differential pressure, and destination elevation. Now, the destination elevation isn't something the pilot sets. When you put in a destination, it knows then the data for that, and it supplies it to the cabin pressure system. So all we have to do is dump the cabin if, in fact, we have toxicity in the cabin.
Center American 2331, 15 for 17.
When you do that, of course, the cabin altitude rises, and just like the other systems, if it goes
American
above
2331, climb and maintain
10,
230. 230 American 2331.
We get a...
Have over 223 Mike Alpha for my planning purposes. Is 12 all you're going to want for now?
You can go on up.
We're ready to go up 223 Mike Alpha.
223 Mike Alpha, climb and maintain for level 230.
Up to 2303 Mike Alpha.
I asked that we stop at 12 so we could complete the physiology drill. And now we're using flight level change, IAS, indicated airspeed, as some call it, at 150 knots to accomplish our climb. And the brand new feature of auto throttle to allow us to do that at maximum rate. So when the system sees you want to climb, it goes to maximum torque. And it has that whole logarithmic scale in there so it doesn't over torque. And then gives you a maximum climb rate at 150 knots or whatever you put in there. Of course, for
18 Sierra Echo, contact 40132.907.
the purposes of climbing in contaminated air, which we are not today, we would use 130 ice penetration and VA approximately for contaminated climbs.
American 2331, contact 40132.
So this is fourth segment for us, so we're good to go. All's right with the world.
American 2331.
Restoring the cabin after the drill is, in our case, because since we're the ones that dumped the cabin, all we needed to do is make sure the inflow is in open, ECS is normal, and the dump valve is closed, and the system does the rest. Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
230. 230, American 1684. Southwest 3440.
Train offer.
Oklahoma City approach 124.2. Southwest 3440.